And also, um, in me going live, one, just stay like on the live version of it. Like just don't rewind, but you can still interact with the chat through the screen because I get both YouTube and Twitch, but something has to connect first, and it hasn't connected yet. And it has connected. Okay, cool. Um, so the next thing that I'm gonna do is just open up the Stripe documentation. Cause should I ask ChatGPT for something like this? You're using test data. What? Huh? That makes sense. How? What? Why am I using test data? Testing environments. Okay, wait. How do I get out of here? Because one, this is just mine. But whenever I'm in the chef's Stripe account, if this ever comes up, I need to know how to stop it, how to go live. Okay, never mind. We're good. Cool. Um. So developers. Expose my secret key. That's what I want to do. Where? Where the docs at? Docs. Apps. Review docs. Cool. Get started. Okay, so I'm currently using. Oops. Hello. How are you doing? Sorry. I was a little bit focused. But how are you doing? Welcome to the channel. I'm getting better. The more consistent that I am with streaming and actually like coding for like real world stuff, the better I pay attention and the better I learn. So I'm learning a lot of stuff with this project. Um a lot of basic stuff. But I think I'm actually gonna retain it. Especially because I'm like consistent now. But how are you doing? You know, oh yeah. Wait, huh? Wait, Miss Chicken. Where? Wait, are you? Wait, are you in both YouTube and Twitch? And you just typing through Twitch? What I'm using is okay, because it's live. Okay, cool. What I guess I have to go to. Ooh, I don't know which one. Stripe checkout. This one. One-time payments. This isn't. This just seems more complicated than what I'm doing. That seems cool. What does this do? No. Thank you. You know, okay. Last night when I was streaming, I felt really like weird because my Twitch wasn't active, but my YouTube chat in stream was. Like it was like inversed and it was weird. And yeah. Wait, ChatGPT made what? Made your Stripe thing? No, this isn't really helping me. Uh, I'll be honest. No. Technically, ChatGPT didn't make this. AI didn't make this. I basically coded this thing before I started using AI. This is just reused code. Basically, actually, this part is AI generated. This part. But AI and my Twitch chat made this project. Let's get it right. Let's get it right. But um I guess I used this. I don't know. This seems accurate. Choose a mode, payment. Am I in payment mode? Yes. Once I figure out the success part of this, if it even exists, then we'll start, if I can fit it into the stream. And then I'll start um uh what was I thinking? Then I'll start exploring the idea of handling payments server side. I don't know how to do it. Yes, I have it figured out. But what I want to do now is check if there's a success status, because right here, like, I don't think you were in here when I was talking about it. This success URL sends me back to the website. Also, don't test it out because you would be paying real money for this stuff. So, actually, I can just swap it out for the sandbox thing if I really wanted to. But, it's just well, what I want to check is if it is a success, I want to send the customer an email, but also add like a thank you for shopping or thank you for purchasing tooltip right here, like under this total thing or something. I don't know how. Try it out. Congratulations. Wait. Now learn how to customize the appearance. No. Use a webhook with a new. Wait. So, how this goes? How this goes? Okay, wait. Just for clarification, I fill this out, blah blah blah. I used this, blah blah blah. Okay, now I'm about to click order. Once I click order, I get sent to the Stripe thing. Also, isn't this server side? Because okay, if I take these console logs out. Wait. If I take these console logs out, how isn't this technically server side? Because the math is, or not the math, but the pricing. Oh, or I think I know what you're talking about. Is it this that you're talking about? That can be edited because it's in the meal prep file on the server. No, well, no. No, I'm not running Node. For email, use a webhook. Let me write that down. Write that down. Write that down. Please, I wanted to keep it like that. Thank you. I'm a developer. Just make a new page and redirect it. That could also be a thing. Wow. Okay. So skip all that. Then I'll just make a cool. Thank you. I didn't even think about that. See what I mean? AI and Twitch chat have made this project possible. Can't thank y'all enough. Let me catch up. So, like I was talking about, I mean, like, to the cloud function, yeah. How can they do that? Is it because of this? Like, should I put all this information in the Firestore database and then just pull from the database? Is that how I should do it? Also, name, middle name, button, no. Class name, meal button. I need to change this because, like, on mobile, the letters are blue. Oh, sorry. What? We're in Discord. I don't see it. Already originally. Oh. Huh? Oh, from earlier. Just send the meal plan and selected meals possibly. So like I was set, wait, meal button, hold up. Color white. Okay, I just want to change that. Okay, so basically what I was saying with changing this whole array, uploading all of this to Firestore basically, am I correct in saying that? Oh, wait a second. Let me ask AI about this then. Hold up. Well, yeah, if you wanted the chef to be able to, yes. That's the goal. That's the plan. Where's my, where, huh? There we are. Okay. So what I want to do in here, I don't know if I still want to Actually, I won't have these. Oh, what is this thing? That's what I did with it. Be safe. Don't fall. These are all gonna have unique IDs. So let me ask AI how I would do this. How would I convert this array of objects into Firestore documents that okay. How would I no, I made a typo. How would I convert this array of objects into Firestore documents that are pulled from Firebase and rendered while keeping the same logic in this file? To convert your static mil options array to dynamic data fetch from Firestore while maintaining the existing logic, follow these steps. Meals. I guess I'll call them meals. Oh, this is what I might do. I'll call them preset meals. The collection preset meals. Hold up. Give me a second. Let me cook. Yeah. Let's do that. I'll generate. Oops. Update your component to fetch from the Firestore. So really, need use effect. I'll take that. Do that. Don't I? I'm gonna have to take this off stream because some of this stuff is not database. No. I have DB storage. No. What the heck? Firebase. Okay. And functions. So, running on cloud is sketchy. Well, I'm not popular. I don't have anyone that hates me. So I think I'm okay. As long as I don't like have anything just run, like a function just running like recursively, I think I'll be fine. Hopefully. Hopefully you don't hate me in the future, so you know. Yeah. But yeah, I know I've heard horror stories of cloud bills being hundreds of thousands of dollars, but I don't know. How am I gonna do this? is loading. Take this, put it there. There's this. I'll take that comment too. Meal options. This meal options is probably going to be rendered in the HTML. Probably. Meals list. Okay. Loading meals? Oh. Oh. What the heck? How are you doing? Did it go well? Thank you. Okay. 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 Select meals text. Select meals text. Meal boxes. I think this is what I want, right? Oh, this is actually doing the whole thing. So, there. Do that. Structure. If this music is too loud or terrible, let me know. Or if you can even hear any music. Because I look back on my YouTube video and I was thinking that maybe my music is a little bit too loud. I couldn't hear any music. So it was just like basically silence. How am I gonna format this? Name. They changed something about this. Something is different. Okay. Prices. Prices is a map, right? Prices. Is this pulling a string? I will probably want this to be a number. What? Is the meal price different depending on how many you order, or why is it structured like that? Yes. If you're on the 6 meal option, this is the price of 6 of them. If you're on the 10 or 15 meal option, this is the price for those. Also, if you have a half order of this one and a half order of this one, say like 3 and 3, this price is $13.50. This is $13.50. So it'll equal 27. It's more expensive per meal if you... That's how you wanted it. I'm only following orders. I know. Why is this? Why? What? Oh. I didn't. All right. I have such a way with words. All right. So, in me doing all okay, populate with your here's a script. Oh, so I don't have to do that. I don't have to do that. Oh gosh. Wait. Huh? Let's do this. You can call this function once. I was actually about to make a button. I wasn't thinking. Uh, I can really just upload and do that. Oh snap, Pixel, how you doing? Hey, perfect timing. I'm about to go to a concert tonight, so that's why I'm streaming so. I guess early. But yeah. Tori Moi. Hold up. If you ever heard of him, he's pretty cool. He's pretty cool. I'm going with the friend. Yeah. I guess I don't have to do this anymore. Oh no, I still have to change this though. Meals? No. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh, well, you probably should. I don't want to like impose my musical taste on you, but he's pretty good. Preset. Preset. Meal preps. React is just easier to make things quickly with, but also easier to mess up, but also easier to make things quickly with. If I wanted to learn Angular, it would be later on. But like I would be learning Angular by recreating one of my existing projects. That's probably how I'm going to learn Angular. So, yeah. Yeah. Excuse me. React is easier. Yeah. And I don't really want to learn Next.js. I know it's like crazy to say. I don't want to learn it. No. Yeah, at that point, I might as well just learn Angular. So, yeah. Next.js is complicated for no reason to me. Like, Angular actually does make more sense. And then plus, I just don't know. I think this may sound crazy. This may sound insane, but like part of the reason why I want to learn certain things is because, or part of the reason why I want to learn certain things is the community that also uses the tool. I don't want to be a part of the Next.js community. I'm sorry. I know that may sound crazy. I don't want to be a part of that community. Not like saying that they're like bad people or anything. I just don't want to be a part of that community. Nope. I'm good with my good old React, old like nonsense React. I'm cool with this. And the community that I really want to the community that I really want to be a part of is Angular. But Angular is hard. And it takes a while to build things in Angular when you're just starting out, when you're not comfortable with it. So yeah, and plus I would have to learn TypeScript on top of what I'm already learning, and I don't already know JavaScript the best. So yeah. TypeScript is easy just like JavaScript is easy. But I have a hard time learning things. And I already don't know JavaScript. So to try to learn JavaScript on top of TypeScript, it's really just JavaScript with types. It's just like making JavaScript Java, but for the web. Like, it's simple, but I just don't. There's a lot of other intricacies that I just don't want to. I want to get comfortable with like using. Wait, what did I say? It's like turning JavaScript into Java. Because JavaScript has types and interfaces and modules and all that stuff. Yeah, I'm not that good of a programmer yet. I'm not gonna act like I am. I'm sorry. I already have this. So I guess oh no. This really is where it is. So I think why is handle deselect not used anymore? What the heck? I get what you're saying, and it does make sense that a typed language is easier to learn. But the learning curve is steeper. And that's why I say, because with JavaScript, I can just make something and either it compiles or it doesn't. Probably it compiles, but it isn't going to make sense. But like with a typed language, things make sense easier, or things make sense. They follow rules. So like, it's a set of instructions, but like JavaScript is kind of like different in a way. So like, because of that, I say it's easier to just like mess around with. Like Python, but the thing I don't like about JavaScript is that it forces you too much to do things the Angular way. Yeah. Also, welcome to the stream. Okay, how do you I wanna be oh, thanks for the follow too. I wanna learn how to say your name correctly. Okay. FPS? Is that a good abbreviation for your name? Or T1? Which one do you prefer? I'm so scared to actually do this function, because what if it actually does run up my cloud bill? With C sharp, my first programming course in college was Java. And I didn't touch Java for like the next 5 years, or I didn't touch programming in general for the next 5 years after that first semester. No, I'm not, no. No. Java for your first language to learn is torture. C++ I would like to learn, but for like embedded systems and like something that's a little bit more close to like the metal, if that makes sense. I've heard good things about Rust. No. Oh. Oops. SQL is also something that I want to learn too. Yeah. The one thing that like has stuck with me as far as like learning which language to use when is really the problem that you're trying to solve. It all depends on like what you're trying to do. Wait, you have a database exam? Or not congratulations, but good luck. I wish I could help, but I'm not good at databases. So yeah. But like people try to use JavaScript everywhere when JavaScript is really just meant to be on the web. But really, like, the beautiful thing about programming that I've learned, and I really don't know all that much, but like a real true programmer, it doesn't matter the language that they're using, it matters what kind of problem that they're solving. So, like, if I wanted to make a website, I would just use JavaScript. If I wanted to like use like AI, I would probably use Python or whatever they use. If I wanted to build something like on the server side, something for like the most optimal whatever, I would probably use Go. And it really doesn't matter if I'm good at programming. It's all about using the least amount of memory and doing things as efficiently as possible. And I think we've gotten away from that as memory has become like an afterthought. Memory used to mean something back in the day. Like with C, memory leaks were a thing. Memory like was like a finite thing, and you did not want to blow up your computer. Now there's like 16 gigabytes of memory is like the norm. 32, 64 gigabytes of RAM. People aren't thinking about all that stuff. Like people are, but like the common person isn't thinking about like memory leaks and memory allocation anymore, unfortunately. Basically, because people just like jam JavaScript everywhere. Not well, I guess it's a bad thing, but like at some point we're gonna have to get back. I think we're kind of already getting there with AI and like the limitations of AI, but like we're gonna have to start thinking about memory again. Because like for example, this may not be like a memory thing, like I'm using memory, but like they just now started implementing this. But if I want Chat GPT or Gemini to remember something about me, or like a past conversation or something, like for example, I have the Meta Ray-Ban glasses. And this is apart from like privacy and stuff like that. If I'm wearing my glasses and I'm looking for my keys, but like 10 minutes ago, the keys were like in my vision and the glasses saw them. And I asked my glasses, like, hey, where are my keys? And I don't have to ask the glasses to like remember something. That's a memory thing. And I don't feel like AI currently, or at least like the hardware that's available to us right now, is capable of doing that and not like overheating or like it's just not there yet. So I feel like the better and better we get with like memory stuff, the better. Like the better, but like the faster we can progress to other forms of using AI. Wait, what did I say wrong, Mr. Chicken? Go ahead and combat me. What I say wrong? All right, crap. I think I'll go ahead and just run this. Let me look at that too, because I don't know why this isn't used anymore. Deselect isn't used anymore. There's price. There's what is this? Man. Is that a Twitch channel? Never heard of them before. Are they also programming? Let me go to the GitHub and see, because I don't feel like going back and undoing things right now. Where are you? Pages, meal prep, index. Are you laughing at my pain? No, it didn't remove anything. I just don't feel like, you know what? You're right. You're right. Hold up. This is what, hold up. This is what I'm doing. I'm going back. 360. Oh, this is another thing I have to do, because I was looking last night and oh no, look at this. This is like the old days. Look at this. 486 lines of code in one file. Oh, this is a throwback. Disgusting. This is a throwback. I need to start using components or refactoring something. Man, no, it's not. Something this simple? No, it's not. No, it is not. Nope. So, yes, but depending on what it does. But this can be refactored. Ooh, I may actually have a refactor stream. Or a collection of refactor streams, because I'm probably going to break something in me refactoring. You're right. 369. Selected. There's this. There's this. What? Huh? I guess I do this in here. Hello? Where is this at? Oh. Wait. I'll just redo the whole thing. You know what? Is this a challenge? Do you want to? Okay. Do you want to sit through a whole stream of me manually refactoring things? Is this what you want to do? Because I'll accept the challenge. I'll do it. I, okay. All right. Bet. Bet. All right. What do you want this done? Oh, wait. Let me. I'll disable it. I'll disable Copilot. Hold up. No. Whenever I get done with this whole meal prep stuff, and actually, the sooner the better. When I get done with making the thank you page, I'll refactor. Deal? Man, at work we have a whole API. Ooh. I'm not good with branches yet. Uh, oh. Do I call it refactor? Refactor land. That's what I'll call it. Okay. Truly, this is how I commit stuff. I'll be honest. That's how I do it. What am I looking at? What am I looking at? What am I looking at? What is that? Oh. Oh. Please don't run. Oh no, I'm not doing that right now. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. You're asking for a disaster stream right now. Oh no. And I'm about to go to a no. I don't have enough time in the day. Nope. Nope. Not gonna get me. Let me scroll back up. Man, at work we have a whole API that we sell. And that is why I'm invested in Google. Because I didn't think about it, but like Gemini it is usage. But like, you know what? I love Google. I just love Google. Um uh 3 files. The module, the service, and the control. I Alright, Pixel. I'll be honest. I don't understand exactly. Okay, where I stopped understanding was at the word files. I don't know what a module is. I don't know what a service is. And I don't know what a controller is. That's where my brain stopped working. And then that's the full working API. I don't understand why that needs a refactor. But I know you're smart enough to do it. I believe in you. Solo, right? Okay, if I refactor this, you refactor that. Solo. Deal? Honestly, same difficulty level for both of us. Truly. Hopefully this works. Has the business logic... What kind of business logic would be in there? Like charging? For the server? Or for the... Like costs and stuff? Okay. That's the business logic. The controller has the endpoints. Okay. Oh. Oh. But wouldn't that also be the endpoints? Or wouldn't that also be the controller? Like, it's just usually pieces of the app, but in this case, it's just the whole. Oh, it's the. Whoa, what? Hmm. That's probably what I need to learn next is the difference between a service and a controller. Because to me, if the API logic isn't the service, I thought the endpoints were also in the API logic. When are you gonna get it done? Are you gonna get it done? Come on, be honest. This is a safe space. Congratulations again. It's tough being a lead of stuff. Let me tell you, it's tough. Man, I always wanted to be a lead or of something. Man, this sucks. I want to redo. I hate thermoforming. Nah, I love thermoforming. From stuff. Okay. Hmm. Hmm. Let me try to run this and see what happens. I'm down. Trust me, I'm down. It's just I'll probably be a liability, but I'm down. You'll probably have to like baby me the whole way. But listen, I listen, I work hard, I try my best, and I get better with time. But how much time? Who knows? Depending on the difficulty of the task, who knows? So, I guess I can just go ahead and press save. Please don't run up my cloud bill. What? Did it do it? Hello? No, it didn't. Add doc. Hello? Where's the function at? Oh. Add doc. I do front, you do front end, I do back end, infra. I'm down. Trust me, I'm down. I know like I joke a lot and stuff like that. I'm seriously down. It's just a matter of like, well, what are we gonna build? That's the only question that I have, but I'm down. Hopefully this works now. Oh, it keeps on doing it. Hello? Well, I have. Did this work? Please, please work. I have something that I'm gonna build. open for business. Oh gosh, let me delete this. Please. Do not run up my cloud bill, please. Don't. Please. Oh gosh. And it did it. Oh, this sucks. What? Oh. Hold up. Okay. I am probably, not probably, I'm going to do it. Dang. I did this like 3 times, didn't I? I'm going to build something that I'm using every day, but it'll help me and other operators that like in my industry learn how to like be better operators because I'm a lead and like I'm supposed to be like teaching other people. I might as well use software because like I work at like a 24-hour like running facility. So like I can't be awake 24 hours 7 days a week. So it just makes sense for me to use to leverage software and like when I'm not there, if there's ever a problem, you have like basically a handbook of what to do, how to do it, stuff like that. So wait a second. Wait a second. Is this all just 2 different? All right. This didn't do anything. All I did was just two different things. Basically, like a starting off like with a tutorial, like a YouTube tutorial, basically, but like a manual, basically, an all like no, not an almanac, a thermoforming Bible. That's how I would put it. And also, it'll keep track of like current processes and function, not functions, certain processes and machines running currently, so that like supervisors know what's running, plant manager knows what's running like in real time, and they don't have to like go out and see it physically and stuff like that. So stuff like that. So where is this at? Oh gosh, it's not pulling anything. I'm so hurt. Mr. Chicken, you're right. AI sucks. Both. Starting out with a centralized knowledge base, but then I'll turn it into an interactive manual using Three.js, and it'll show like the machine and like like pinpoint different things that are like to explain what this does, how to use it, how to fix it, stuff like that. It may be like, oh snap, hold up. Where? Oh, crap. Wait, warning, the video has audio. Newest. £13. Wait, whenever. Oh, I made it. Let me look at this. Can y'all see this? No. Join the Discord if you want to see it.
65,283 pounds.
Oh, that's cool. What is that using? Like, what language is that using? What is that? What is that? Is that still JavaScript or Svelte? Also, for anybody else that wants to see it, because it won't pull up on my screen. Oh, cool. That's cool. So if I say 13 pounds, it'll pull up in the top right corner how much that is in kilograms. Like it just did it. Cool. Oh, hello, Deepak. I am failing with AI because AI thought that it was a good idea. Wait a second. AI thought that it was a good idea to pull from Firestore and not like do the thing. Wait. Wait. Where is this used at? It's not used anywhere? Hold up. That's the problem. Meal options? No. Meal list. Please. Is it meal list? And set meal options? Meal options. It's not doing that. Wait. Where are we again? Ooh. Well. Also, thank you for joining. I hope to see you soon. And don't forget the business. Don't forget our business. But yeah, I'm probably gonna head off too pretty soon. In the next like 5 minutes. Also, if you're new here, follow, subscribe, whatever you want to do. No pressure. I'm down too. You know what to message me? I'm down too. I struggling. I'm just gonna press Control Z until we get back to the stage of where we began the stream at. I'm serious. Yeah. Once I finish this, then I can like focus full time on the project that I really want to build, which is what I like tried to explain not well. But um that's probably what like my like me, I was planning on it being like really like my SaaS whatever, my first attempt at building a SaaS product, just to try it out, just to see what comes of it. And besides, I'll be gaining value from it. So that was my goal with it. But yeah. But still, there's not agency. Yeah, I'm down for that too. Yeah. Like you said, me front end, you back end and stuff like that. I'm down. I'm down. Yeah, but also with agencies and stuff, to get customers, basically a whole but like the hard part isn't the coding, it's marketing. That's the hard part. And with people that don't like that aren't really high in resources and don't know much about tech, they want things to be free or close to free. That's the problem. So like, yeah, yeah. Yeah. I don't think that they, for someone that doesn't know everything that goes into like tech and stuff, I don't think they really have an idea of how costly it is. And I think that's like the hard part to like translate to people. It's not pulling anything. Why is it not pulling anything? Uh, and go for business that make hella money. Like the thing is like, okay, I thought about that, but then like not getting paid in a flat fee, but like getting paid based off of percentages of sales. I don't know if anybody would like be open to doing that, but that's one thing that I thought about doing was like getting a percentage of any of the sales that go through the website or the app. I don't know how common that kind of deal is, but I don't know. I thought about it. Yeah, well, yeah. Oh, verify. Is my DB right? Yeah. What does that say? Failed loading. Okay. Good night. Good night. Good night. Be safe. Be safe. Yes. But with someone that is lower on resources, the upfront cost may be a deterrent for them. Ooh. I think we're just all getting off then. I don't know. Huh. No. Cause I don't feel I don't know if I'll be able to do this. No, 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 no. Wait, where am I pulling it from? Oh, that's why. Hold up. That's why. Preset meal preps. Okay, this makes sense. Wow. All right, I'm going into full just no mic mode. Hold up. No, I'm playing. Good night, Ever. Good night. Uh uh does it work? Cool. Now does this work? Oh, whoops. Okay. Does this work? Cool. Okay, now I just have to add the rest of them. Where did they go? This sucks. Where's... Hold up. My GitHub has it. This is why GitHub is so useful, right? This is why. Okay, so going back. Up here, I'll do it. I'll just do the... Oh, no, wait. Upload. Where are you? Const. Upload. Try to do that. Okay. Yeah, I don't like AI right now. Me and AI are beefing right now. And then instead of having all that right there, I'll add doc back. Now that's where I'll do that. Did it do it? Please do it. You didn't do it. Oh. Did it do it? It didn't do it. Man, what is this? Huh? Oh, it went to meals. I don't like AI. Preset meal preps. Right. Oh, gosh. See, you can't have nothing in Detroit. And now my cloud bill is $500,000. I was trying, okay. Initially, I was gonna make a button. But then it just told me to, you know, I was, well, what putting that in the use effect would have helped. Now I gotta delete all this stuff. Do I already have that? I already have. Cool. Cool. This is a duplicate, right? That's not a duplicate. No, it's not a duplicate. That's not. That's a duplicate, right? Now I gotta sift through all this stuff. This is disgusting. After this, I'm getting off because, ugh, I'm disgusted in myself. Do I have ribeye? Or what I could do is make a function that'll sift through. It's just better to do this manually. That'll search for like this, and if it has any other instances. Hey, what's up, Poggle? Long time no see. How you doing? Dang. That was one. That was a duplicate. Duplicate. Asparagus. I just saw that. That's a duplicate. Baked chicken breast. Baked chicken breast. Baked chicken breast. Baked chicken breast. Baked. Duplicate. Whoops. Oh, snap. I'm supposed to be on the phone. Oh, snap. Awesome. Congratulations. Well, results. You did it. You did it. And congratulations. I am doing well. Because okay, I'm looking. You know what? Is this? Ooh. I already deleted all these. Cajun wings. That's simple enough to remember. Do I really have? Okay. And oh no. Oh. Cajun wings. Baked salmon. Baked salmon. Oh, that wasn't one. 2 ground chuck patties. That was one. Was it? Is this a duplicate? Let me delete this whole thing. Meals. I can't even imagine how many were in the meals thing because I had refreshed it a couple times. Oh, there's more. Oh, this is never going to get done. I scrolled up. This is never going to get done. Yeah, I'm not doing this on stream. Nope. No, not a chance. All right. I'm getting off. No, no. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being you. I love and appreciate all of you. You're correct. You're right. Hold up. do that. Wait a second. You could have said this earlier. What? What? Hold up. Ooh, I might as well put this here. I will delete this whole thing. Preset meal preps. Change that to reset preps. And just run it. Did it work? Or please don't. It did it twice again. Wait. This is easier. I'm just gonna go from the bottom up. One of these is just not just true. Do I have another Cajun wings? So this is staying. Shredded cheese. This is going. Alright. Broccoli. Ooh, just saw one. Broccoli. What? That's one. Oh. This is steak. This is chicken. Oops. Okay. How many do I have again? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh my gosh. I have to. All right. Thank you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There's 2 duplicates in here. I just have to find out which ones. Ribeye. Let's search for ribeye. I don't think I did ribeye yet. Cool. Is that a duplicate? Where's the other one? What? Where's the other ribeye? W. You know what would be easier? If I just did this. Just refresh the page again. And just saw what was a duplicate. I don't know why I didn't do that. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it doesn't matter. Protein pasta. What? I can delete that. What else? I could have sworn there was 2 ribeyes. Huh? No. Shredded cheese. This. How is this? Huh? How are these 2 different? Fajita. Steak fajita veggies. That's not correct. Okay, I think this is it. There are no more duplicates. Now I just have to make sure that these are all the right prices. I can easily change that whenever I want to. Or he can change that whenever he wants to, the prices. Now, the next thing would be to make... I'll add it right here. Make an admin portal. So, yeah. I have been live for longer than I anticipated. So, I'm getting off. And, I'll see you guys. I'm kind of tempted. I know I won't. Probably will. I don't know. I may stream again. Like at my regular time. But I'm also maybe too sleepy after I get back from the concert. So, but this was productive, I guess. I guess. Still not pulling from server side yet, but oh, npm run build and also where is that's fine. That's fine. I can leave that in there. That's fine. Now, what all did I do? That's not all I did, Copilot. Uh, oh, sorry. I just committed. Yeah. So, I'm getting off. Thank you for watching. I'm remembering now. I'm remembering to commit every time I stop streaming and stop coding to commit. Thank you all. But later.